Welcome, Hany, on the podcast.
Thank you.
And what's the story behind the name Hanimex?
Hanimex is an abbreviation of HAN, which is Hany.
Okay.
IM, import.
Okay.
EX,
Export. What's the vision for Hanimex from now onwards?
We are more exploring export opportunities. We have a very strong background in procurement due to our backlog of buying and selling. Now we are creating our own hub that will be in the free zone in Egypt. We're talking about a 42,000 square meter place that will accommodate our manufacturing facilities and logistics warehouse. We are selling in 9 showrooms all over Egypt, buying and selling and producing more than 70,000 items.